Section 6.4 is about equations of change. So the box at the top says the equation of change df over dx is equal to m, where m is a constant, says that f has a constant rate of change, and hence f is a linear function with slope m. If you have an initial condition b, then an equation f is equal to mx plus b can be formed. So we've been dealing with rates of change as well as slope. So this section is kind of talking about that as well. So a lot of these problems aren't very long or difficult, but they're very subtle in what they're asking. So question number 1 says the profit P in dollars as a function of time T in years for a certain company is given by the linear function. Write the equation of change for the profit for this company. So the equation of change, again, if you look at the box, is df over dx, but in this case they're not using f and x, they're using p and t. So my equation of change is going to be dp over dt is equal to, and I want to express the slope because the slope is your rate of change. So 2300. And it's not 2300x or 2300t, it's just 2300 because that's the rate of change. Looking at number 2, it says if f satisfies the equation of change df over dx is equal to 5, then f is a linear function. What is the slope of f? Well, the slope would just be 5. So again, these don't take that long, they're just very subtle or nuanced in what they're asking. Number 3 says solve the equation of change df over dx is equal to 3 if the initial value of f is 7. So whenever they say solve the equation of change, it's really the same thing as saying find the function. So find the function and solve the equation of change. Those really mean the same thing. So if my slope is 3 and my initial value is 7, then I can make a linear function out of this. So f is equal to 3x plus 7. So my slope and my y-intercept are there.